I'll be serving Mediterranean food, Mediterranean-inspired food. And ang food na talaga binabalik-balikan dito is the biryani, where we are using authentic 100% basmati rice, as well as different ingredients like cardamom, bay leaf, star anise, and so on. So yun po yung pinaka-highlights nung Kevibe. And then the kebabs, we are serving chicken and beef kebabs. Nagsaserve din kami ng shawarma and shawarma wrap. Tapos we also do T-bone sizzling steak for our customers din.
Okay. Ano yung way nyo para makakonect kayo sa mga Filipino consumers?
So right now, it's very challenging for here in Muntinlupa to educate customers on what's with the Mediterranean food. So, hinaluan namin siya ng konting Filipino touch, like nilesen namin yung flavor, like the spiciness, so para mag-match sa Filipino palate dito sa area. We're in the process of adding menus such as like for the mocktails, we are also planning to add some beverage dessert, and we're hoping na ma-launch namin to by November. So this one is very exciting because it's a beverage that will match the food as well. So it's a food pairing, so very exciting to. The food will complement the beverage po. My name is Lancelot Cruz, one of the part owner of Kevibe. Actually, the business started, I think, August, if I'm not mistaken. So we're running the business around magti 3 months na. So mocktails kasi, it's a kind of beverage that when you say cocktail, it's a beverage with alcohol. So mocktail, since we are within the school vicinity, so we are not serving cocktails. So it's like cocktails, but without alcohol. So we call it mocktails. And then aside from that, we're going to serve also craft beverage, as well as beverage na dessert yung ano niya, inspiration, like Black Forest, Red Velvet, and so on po. Kevibe usually opens from Monday to Sunday, 11 a.m. up to 9 p.m. So yun, we also do accept bookings and reservation. If ever na may mga celebrations kayo, you just have to message us in our page. The name of the page is Kevibe, and we can schedule you ahead of time for us to serve you in your most special part of your event or day na isa-celebrate po niya. Sana matry nyo yung Kevibe, mabigyan nyo ng chance yung small business and resto namin dito sa